The key challenge for wastewater is about managing and protecting the environment. Helping and supporting and protecting the environment is kind of ingrained in our DNA. My role and my team's role is to help to make wastewater a better place for tomorrow.
The people in South West Water, from a cultural perspective, really worked well with us. We had the domain knowledge, they had a very specific knowledge on the local market, and jointly we really built something that makes a difference.
The partnership was put together initially to help us understand what we needed as a company. Hitachi, I think, bring a wealth of knowledge that we didn't have, and we recognised that we weren't experts in that area. So we looked around in the marketplace to see who would be a good fit.
The South West Water solution, alongside with all of its components, Microsoft, ourselves, the different processes, the IoT devices, the whole supply chain across the plants was just really a perfect match for us.
When the development was going on, you could have walked into a development room and you wouldn't have known who was IS, who was wastewater and who was Hitachi. On the wastewater side of the business, we have wastewater treatment works, pumping stations, which takes wastewater from customers and takes that to those sewage treatment works, and pipe work and infrastructure that connects all of that together.
We spent a long time assessing an on-premise approach or a cloud-based approach, and both in terms of the scalability but also the cost, the cloud approach came out strongly as the preferred option.
We need to be much more responsive. We need to be able to scale up and meet the demands of our internal customers much more quickly and much more efficiently.
They had a lot of data that they weren't currently processing or taking actionable insight from. So putting that together in one platform that's accessible to the whole organisation is important. Having water industry expertise, knowing some of the use cases in the water industry, knowing that what we know about predictive maintenance and sensors and the way we deal with that data enable us to go in and have a conversation that said, you know, if you approach the problem this particular way, if you become more agile in the way that you serve your data to the business, we think there's some real opportunities.
And we've worked with areas of the organisation including maintenance, operations, wastewater treatment and beach water quality. We're leveraging the power of the Microsoft Azure platform, both from an advanced analytics and data collection perspective. That helps us get up and running much quicker and innovate rapidly together.
We are now enabling them to use a lot of their data in a more effective way, and we're closing the loop back into actions they need to do in order to be more efficient.
And we've been able to respond to 3 pollutions much faster than we would have been able to respond in the past.
Water is one of the scarce resources that people have today. What we have is the capability and the depth of industry knowledge to look at specific regions or specific problems and take those and lift them up. And the way we do that, again, we co-create with some local customers or partners, and we take that information, that IP, and we build a solution that is specific, but we do that with the mindset of how can this be transformational within the industry. We're doing that by really some of the IP, some of the unique solutions that we have, and giving Hitachi those solutions so we can address those problems globally.